welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be finishing up my Decorate With Me for Spring series by decorating my front porch. And I'm so excited to finally get this done, you guys. The weather around Vegas has been crazy. We've had snow multiple times in March, which is unheard of, and so much rain. So it's finally sunny, so we're gonna knock this out, and I'm so excited to show you how it turns out. And before we get into decorating, I want to share with you a really easy DIY I put together for my spring wreath. So for this project, I grabbed a beaded wreath from Hobby Lobby. It is part of the spring line, so it was 40% off when I grabbed this. I also had some lamb's ear laying around the house that I decided to use with this as well. But you could definitely grab some at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, or even at Walmart. To attach it, I'm just using some regular old floral wire, and I'm just wrapping it multiple times around to make sure it is nice and secure. Doing this will allow for me to change this wreath out in the future if I want to, but it is also secure enough to where it can last for years to come as well. Next, I'm going to add in some tulips. I grabbed a ton of these when they were on sale at Michael's. They are a little bit on the flimsier side, but I actually really like how delicate they look, so I'm glad that I grabbed these. I'm just going to go ahead and individually cut them all off the stem so they're each individual stems. I like this because it allows for me to arrange them however I like. Once I find the arrangement that I'm happy with, I go ahead and just continue to wrap that wire around over and over until it is nice and secure.
You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Just tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world.
Once I was happy with how the pink and peach little tulips turned out, I went ahead and grabbed some white ones as well, and I decided to kind of make an ombre effect with them. So I'm going to go ahead and attach those in the center, and again use more floral wire to make sure they are super nice and secure.
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you.
And the final step for this project is to make a bow, and what I'm doing is crossing some ribbon over, pinching it in the center, and then using some jute twine to tie it right down the center to make it nice and cinched. This will secure my bow so that I am able to easily attach it to the beaded wreath, and I'm also cutting some little tails just for some decor purposes, and I'm going to fluff it and go ahead and attach it to the wreath using another piece of jute twine.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe
And to finish off this bow, I'm taking another piece of that burlap ribbon, folding it and cutting it so it will be the center. I'm just going to attach that using a little bit of hot glue, and that will be our wreath. I just love how this turns out. Alrighty guys, so before we get started on the actual decorating, I want to give you a look at everything beforehand. So this is the path leading up to the front door, and as you can see, there are some mushrooms on either side. These are just cement mushrooms, and my husband loves them. We actually got a little gnome to accompany them for the spring, and I'm so excited to get her out. And then moving up, we have this chair over here. My husband recently redid it. It was in pretty tough shape, and I can show you the matching table because that hasn't been refinished, and I'll go ahead and put a clip of that in here just so you can see the transformation. We're always doing DIY projects around here or refinishing something, so this is one of his latest projects. Over here we just have a traditional welcome mat. It's not my favorite, but it's worked so far, but we're gonna go ahead and change that out. This flower pot over here will remain empty for today just because I haven't had a chance to go grab new florals yet, and I do not currently have a wreath on the door, which of course we're going to be fixing that with our new DIY beaded wreath that I showed you earlier. So that is a look at the before, so let's get started. So when I'm decorating, you guys, I have to lay everything out to see what I have so that I know exactly how I want it to look. So I'm gonna go through everything I have here really quick. So I have my Hello welcome mat. This I grabbed either at Home Depot or Lowe's a couple of years ago, and we just keep them in storage when I'm not using them. I have this cute little wooden stool. I did grab the smaller version of this and used it in my indoor decor. I also have this DIY beaded wreath that I just showed you. I grabbed this white and I want to say khaki or burlap mat to go underneath the welcome mat. Last year on clearance I grabbed this beautiful white watering can. I'm so excited to decorate with that. And then I have my gorgeous little gnome over here. Look at how cute she is with her cute little flower. I'm so excited to put her out. And then finally I have that buffalo check pillow. I would love a different pillow, but that's what I have for outdoor pillows, so we're gonna make that one work for now. So that is a look at everything. It's not a whole lot, but it is definitely going to make a statement, and I'm so excited to finally get to do this. To get started on today's decor, I'm going to go ahead and move this other welcome mat and give this space a quick sweep before I put down my new one. I grabbed this striped rug at Hobby Lobby during the spring line and I absolutely love it. I used to have the black buffalo check one for the Halloween and winter season, and I just love that one as well. So when I saw this one, I had to grab it because it was just so perfect for spring and summer.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like.
For this little corner, I wanted to do something to just catch your eye, so I wanted to pull in even more white. And I decided that this little watering can would be perfect here, and I wanted to elevate it, so I'm using this cute little garden stool. I grabbed it at Hobby Lobby and I just love it. I have another one inside my home as well. To finish off the porch area, I'm going to add in this little pillow. I know it doesn't actually match the decor. I'm looking for a new one, but for now it will work. I just love how cozy a little pillow can make a space feel. To finish up, I'm going to move these mushrooms just a little bit and I'm going to add in my new little gnome, and I just love her so much. I can't wait for you to see. Alrighty guys, I'm done decorating. I'm going to give you a quick tour before we say goodbye for the day. But I wanted to let you know that my next video is going to be my home tour, and I'm so excited to share everything with you. That way I can show you how all the decor was put together, and then hopefully by then I'll even have my new flowers. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around and give you that quick tour and show you how everything turned out. So again, it is the middle of the afternoon, so I apologize for the super harsh sunlight, but I want to still show you everything that is going on. So over here on the left, we have my new little gnome, and I put her in a little mushroom garden. I thought that was such a cute touch. That flower is just getting me. Walking up, I do have these two flower pots over here that also need new florals. So that is on the to-do list for this weekend. But look who just came to visit, guys. Hey, little buddy. We have so many lizards around our house. They're so cute. So he's a little fun dude. Okay. And over here, directly to the left, I have that cute little garden stool and my white watering can, which I absolutely love how that looks. I do think I want to add in a couple of florals here, so I'm going to go ahead and check out my collection upstairs and hopefully put something in there, but for now that is beautiful. We have our beautiful white and tan striped rug with our hello welcome mat, which I love that as well. Over here we just added a cute little pillow to make it a little bit more welcoming. And the star of the show is definitely my DIY beaded wreath. I hope you guys try to make one of these on your own. If you do, make sure you tag me over on Instagram. My handle is @Veryy. I would love to see how yours turns out. That is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing how my front porch was decorated for spring. Thank you so much for being here. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and join my little internet community. I would love to have you, and introduce yourself down in the comments so I can get to know you as well. I will see you all again in another video in just a couple of days. Bye guys!